She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Mikey. Ooh, I got a new phone. I got the iPhone X and I'm loving it so far. I love how it's all glass and it's just so different from any other iPhone. I got the silver iPhone and I like this so much than the black one. Also, this is my phone case and it's just a holographic type of case and it is from Casemate. But anyways, I am just so pumped because I can finally show you guys what's on my iPhone. Because if you guys know me, I had an iPhone 6s. It barely had memory in it, so I can barely show you guys what app I like. I need more storage. But anyways, let's just hop into it. But before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post video every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to join my family. Because why would you not join my family? We're pretty sweet if you ask me. What did I just do? I'm all over the place today. I am so sorry, but I'm just so pumped. Let's just hop into it. Alright, I'll probably move right here so you guys can see my screen right here and we can record it. I don't know. Little things really excite me if you guys cannot tell. First thing first is this lock screen. I love this picture so much that my boyfriend took. Thank you so much, Lovey, if you're watching this. I just love the coloring. Now that we're in, here's my wallpaper. This is my aesthetic, like palm trees and pink and green and yellow. I just love how fun it is. Here's my first page and this is just the boring stuff that the phone came with. It's just messages, calendar, photos, camera, so you guys can read. But let's go to the fun stuff. And you guys know the first row, the iPhone came with this as well. But I put all the extra stuff in the extra folder. And anyways, the first app that is in here is PinkPad. This is probably way too personal, but I like tracking my period since I always forgot. I don't know, it's just nice to have its own calendar, so that's that. Next thing, I have this folder right here called Folder. I should probably rename that. This is my online shopping app folder and I know it's not that much, but I only keep OfferUp and Poshmark. The rest I can do that on my computer. OfferUp, you can buy and sell things in here that is located in your area, so I think that was pretty cool. I sold my lens camera. It got bought, like it was legit. Like you can literally sell a car. Make sure to double check everything, do research. And next thing we have Poshmark. This is where I sell my clothes. I'm currently selling this stuff right here and if you guys like it, make sure to hit me up. Also use my coupon code down below. It should be down there. You will get $5 credit and yeah, but I love this app so much. I've sold all this stuff. Next thing we have photos and videos. This is pretty helpful. This is where I can transfer my photos from this camera to here. It's pretty convenient. I don't have to go to a computer, plug in my SD card. I can just find a Wi-Fi location and download it on my phone. I think that was so cool. Let's go to editing folder, which is my favorite. I have Visco, which I used to use it to my pictures all the time. It's just so easy to use. Next thing we have Pic Monkey. If you guys are a YouTuber, you already know. This is where we edit our pictures, our thumbnail. If the background is not too blurry, I would use PixArt. It's a pretty cool app, so make sure to try it out. Next thing we have Uno. This is where I plan my Instagram pictures. As you guys can see, it has like the Instagram feed. This is what I already posted and this is what I'm planning to post. It's pretty helpful to organize your feed and I love this app so much because of it. That's that. Next thing we have Bougie. I got this app from Lord DIY. She posted how she edits her stuff. You actually have to put your face on the screen so you guys can see the picture. So if you go like that, it stopped recording, but we're gonna take a picture right now. It gives that vintagey vibe. So let's try that right now. And it's actually doing that, and then it gives you that vintage vibe. Next thing we have Lightroom Cc. Oh my god, I love this app so much. This is where I currently edit my photos. I'm telling you, you should try to learn how to use Lightroom. Next thing we have Imovie. It actually came with the phone. I was shocked, so I was like, oh, that's pretty handy. I'm gonna put that in my editing section. It just reminds me of where I started. Next thing we have Snapchat. Who uses Snapchat anymore? I just have it just to have it. Probably gonna delete it soon because I don't really use it anymore. Next thing we have Twitter. Everyone asks me why my Twitter is black, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do this feed right here. The first thing that pops out is Lord DIY. You just have to go setting in privacy, display and sound, use night mode, it will turn into black. This is what the regular looks like. But yeah, that's my Twitter tip for today. Next thing we have GroupMe. It's basically a group chat messenger where I went to school. This is a pretty popular app. If we have a group project, this is where we add each other. Next thing we have Instagram. They keep on updating stuff that I like. I saw an IGTV. I think that's pretty cool. I still don't recommend that because I still love YouTube. But if you guys want to follow me, make sure to screenshot screenshot this. And if you guys follow me because of this video, make sure to comment down in one of my pictures saying that you're from YouTube. I love responding to you guys' comments. Next thing we have Facebook. I don't really post anything on Facebook anymore, but I love watching and seeing memes. All my friends post memes nowadays. Next thing we have Facebook Messenger. This is where I talk to my sister because my sister's in the Philippines. We also have YouTube. Everyone knows YouTube. You're watching YouTube right now. There you go. Plug in. Make sure to subscribe. Ooh, the next one. If you're a YouTuber, make sure to download YT Studio. It's gonna make your life so much easier. It will track how much subscribers you gain, all the comments that you're getting, the money you're making. I love this app so much. If you're a YouTuber, make sure to download it. It's gonna make your life so much easier. Next thing we have Robinhood. This is where I invest my money. Well, not really all my money, just some of it. But basically, I buy and sell stocks on this app. It's just pretty cool. Next thing we have Coinbase. Everyone knows about Bitcoin. I have to track that. I think it's just so much fun. I love Netflix. My boyfriend and I watched The Office, Breaking Bad, Better Call Saul, The Foster, 13 Reasons Why. Let me know what's your favorite Netflix movie right now or series. So I just don't know what to watch anymore. Next thing we have Township. This is a place where you can build your own town. You just have to crop, sell your crop, you buy your houses, basically building your own town. I just love it. Next thing is we have Evernote. This is where I organize stuff. It is basically just like your notes on your phone. And lastly, oh my gosh, if you guys are still here, thank you and I love you. Crunchyroll. This is where Charlie and I watch anime, and currently we are obsessed with Hunter x Hunter. If you guys are new, what that anime show, so comment down below who's your favorite character. I currently love Killua. He's just so cool. I'm gonna start shouting out people because you guys have been so amazing to me. So the first shout out goes to you. I'm so grateful that you're always commenting on my stuff, and I love how positive and you always want to make my videos so much better. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like we're in a deeper level of relationship right now since you know what's on my iPhone. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. Question of the day, what's your favorite app on your phone? And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.